In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to create a healing tool with optional effects. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, model the tool yourself or find something you like in the toolbox. Your tool can be a bandage, some food, or something completely different. Anything will work. Make sure to rename the main part of your model to handle. Then insert a tool object into the workspace and parent your model to it. You can also rename the tool itself to whatever you made. Now let's create some effects. You can skip this part of the tutorial if you don't want any of them. Insert a part in the particle emitter into it so you can see how it changes when you edit it. Change its properties to whatever you want until you're satisfied with how it looks. After that, make sure the rate property is set to 0, then parent the particle emitter to the tool. Lastly, insert a script into your tool and copy my code. I'll explain each line of code in a second. First, we create a variable for our tool. Then, we set up a function that runs when the tool is activated, which first localizes the player's humanoid. The next line makes sure the humanoid actually exists and if the player's health isn't full already. If it is, the function will stop to prevent wasting the tool. Before I move on, remove these blocks of code if you decided not to add effects. Anyway, the script first adds health points to the player, and you can set how many here. Then, we clone the particle emitter stored in the tool and we parent it to player's humanoid root part, an object present in all user avatars. This line will emit a certain amount of particles from the particle emitter, and again you can choose how many here. The tool then destroys itself and disappears from the inventory, but the script still waits for a second, the maximum amount of time the particles can live for, to remove them after they aren't needed anymore, and we're done. However, if you experience any lag spikes after testing the tool, it's normal. Surprisingly. As far as I know, it's just a weird issue with Roblox Studio. It happens after destroying scripts or objects with scripts parented to them, and it should not appear in your published game. I'd like to thank you all for watching and the incredible engagement I'm receiving. It means a lot to me. And as always, see you soon again.